tomorrow.
Really, they're over there now.
Are they serious?
Yes, they are plenty serious. They are also people.
Taking a video. Are you serious?
These people are not okay. Don't look at them.
Edgar's taking a video of them.
It's not okay.
She's a humping woman.
She's a thumping woman. No, she's a thumping woman.
No, she's making hammer time on the floor. So wrong.
She's doing the floor version of hammer time. Don't touch me!
Yeah, I will.
If I give you
If you give me a box, I give you. If you give me box tops, I can trade them in for candy in my 7th period class because my teacher's.
Mrs. Shelley is giving out box tops. It's like giving out the box tops and Jolly Ranchers.
Go get box tops for her.
She's giving them out and saying if you return the box top, you'll get it. And some person were like this. Okay, here. After getting it, and she said, "Okay, here's 2 Jolly Ranchers."
Well, ask her for some box tops so you can give them to me, so I can get candy.
No.
Not okay.
What did she say?
Oh yeah, Daddy.
What?
It's not okay. Inappropriate words.
So Taryn and Broly get off together, right? Over by the ivory tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gosh. But Taryn, you said something, Daddy.
Oh
Remember,
yes.
you promised me.
Oh, she
So,
said it again.
about the Pop-Tarts, I'm actually not allowed to hand out any type of food to any student, any kid. Because of allergy reasons, whether you have allergies or not, it is against the law. I can try to do stickers.
Stickers.
Or
Box tops.
maybe for the ones that are good, I can get them like a little stuffed animal or something.
Stuffy.
I don't know. I wish I could do food.
I'm so
I know
hungry.
food is
I'm
the
gonna
best.
eat my sister's arm.
No, you
But-
do that snack in class.
I don't mind if you guys want to bring like a bag of chips or something, just for activities only, as long as you don't drop any of the food,
And if you do, pick
put it in the seats, or throw your wrappers on the floor. I don't want you guys to lose that privilege that I'm giving you guys because of one person. So, because I know at the end of the day you guys are hungry.
She's doing it again.